Thanks for choosing us. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It's really important. Hit that notification button too, because there's more videos coming. You can get loads more detail about DiQual and our courses at our website at mydiqual.com. Please enjoy this video.
Technology that includes artificial intelligence is already mainstream, although the actual definition of artificial intelligence is hard to pin down. Video games, satellite navigation, search engines, TV streaming services, fingerprint readers and so many other everyday things already use some form of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is likely to feature in more and more products, and in more advanced forms than we see it in today, such as self-driving cars, industrial and domestic robots, medical diagnosis and education. Artificial intelligence will continue to impact on society over the coming years. Okay. So let's look at how artificial intelligence works. We'll start with big data, and build it up from there. Big data is an area of development that seeks to analyze data sets that have traditionally been too big to handle. It is the name given to diverse and exceptionally large sets of information that can be manipulated and scrutinized to reveal patterns, replications, trends, inconsistencies, and associations. Traditional structured data comes in the form of maintenance records, inventories, personnel files, alarm lists, event logs. Big, unstructured data can be found in photographs, video files, audio, social media streams, GIS location data, and 3D models. When considering or processing big data, there are three characteristics to bear in mind. The first is the size, or the amount of data that is available. This can be referred to as the volume of data. The second is the speed that the data is collected. This can be referred to as the velocity. The third characteristic is the diversity, or the variety of data, which refers to the amount of different information that is contained within the data set. Data analytics can take information from multiple sources. Whether the data is structured or unstructured, it can be interpreted, correlated, and compared to identify meaningful patterns. There are several generic types of analysis: pattern recognition, pattern replication, inconsistencies, trend analysis, diagnostics, descriptive analysis. Data analysis software can use techniques such as data mining and text analytics to identify patterns or interpret meaning within various data sets. Artificial intelligence is the name given when a computer system is able to perform tasks such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and pattern recognition. If a system is said to have artificial intelligence, it is not necessarily thinking like a human. It is performing a data processing task that in the past, only a human could do. Facial recognition is a prime example of artificial intelligence in the real world. The system creates a biometric map of a face and stores the data as an alphanumeric code. The algorithms required to scan the visual data and interpret it requires artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence uses a combination of logic and probability. Introducing logic to constrain probability makes it possible for certain deductions to be taken seriously. Probabilistic programming can help us analyze large amounts of data in a way that goes beyond pure logic. So, how do computers learn? There are three basic methods. Supervised learning: the machine is given a question and a human tells it the answer. Given enough questions, answers, and repetitions, the machine will remember the possible outcomes. Unsupervised learning: the machine analyzes large amounts of data and groups similarities into clusters or distills the data to a smaller amount of relevant information. Reinforcement learning: the machine analyzes the input data but also analyzes the response to the output data to verify that it is right. The responses build up a statistical likelihood that an output is correct. Using a combination of the three categories of learning, A system can automatically detect a wide range of conditions or events within video data with very good accuracy. Video content analysis goes beyond simple tripwires and direction changes. There are now systems available that can identify features and characteristics of a target. Facial recognition systems are so advanced in their artificial intelligence that they can determine a recognition even when a person is not looking directly at the camera. Advanced processing power enables the software to identify a person that is not looking at the camera within a crowd of faces. To achieve the recognition of such conditions, as shown in these images, the machine needs to make a considered decision based on probability and recalled experience. If the system can make a considered decision about something, and combine that decision with the results of past experience, then it has the ability to recognize. If it can recognize, then it has at least one form of artificial intelligence. This module demonstrates that artificial intelligence is already a part of society, and it is not a thing of science fiction. Big data is the large quantities of data that are streaming into silos every second of every day. It is measured in velocity, variety, and volume. The challenge is that as the data grows, it becomes harder to extract meaningful information from it. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that allows the analysis of large quantities of video data to alert if something unusual is happening. Natural language processing can help even further by searching the data using human vocabulary to instruct the system to find events. And finally, if you haven't guessed, I am artificial intelligence. I am not a real person. I am a synthesized voice that has converted text from the DiQual module into speech, so that it sounds like a real person is talking to you. You can get the full details on this subject matter from the DiQual module SF200. You can find us for free online. Search for DiQual. As well as our website, you can find more videos and information on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Wherever you find us, please don't forget to like us, share us, subscribe, and comment. It is important to us so that we can produce more online content. Thank you.